Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lom So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Usumbot Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jela ubak Preston Tensong haka Henry Terik unai wing arajar arpo ula kentaj war halor ka jingkeno baka jing shalanto yo udoyong naga Jela Meghalaya ka Jorbha hado kini kisngi bat penksanru baki trok ki bakit yo udoyong hado menta ban shalan shabar jong ke Jela kidai ki bala yo ya ka chalan ka babiang bala ai de ka Sarkar kani ka jingkentaj jong usumbot Menteri Rangba kalong hadin baka Jantia Coal Miners and Dealers Association kabalong kaseng kinong khayi bat kinong ti doyong narilom Jantia kalapha da kasithi sha Chief Secretary jong gajala UMS Rao ban pentip baka jingshalan bean yo doyong ka Jorbha wat hapdeng ka jingperking jong ka Sarkar da kababu yaki kherdop talasi hasilintar ka surong nado jawai shado Ribhoy district.
You need to understand one thing. The unclaimed coal means seized by the state authority. Then we send this to the court. The court will decide. After we get the order from the court that you have to dispose it off or auction it, so we did it. As far as those old stock coal conducted by the NGT, then ultimately it went to the Supreme Court. And then ultimately the Supreme Court accepted the report of the NGT. And the Supreme Court says this 32 lakhs metric ton of coal has to be auctioned. But the criteria is late. The criteria is auction of the old stock has to be done by Coal India, and the working plan has to be prepared by the Coal India jointly with the state government, and then that working plan has to be submitted to the NGT, and NGT has to approve it. Series of meetings were held. It doesn't mean that we did not. Series of meetings were held, and I'm just telling you in short. Now we are in the final stage. Because as I said to you, working policy has to be done, presented by Coal India and the state government, and then it has to be approved by the NGT as per the Supreme Court ruling. So it takes time because of that. Otherwise, from the state government, in fact, that time itself, after we received the ruling from the Supreme Court, we wanted to dispose of next day, sir. We wanted to auction it next day, sir. But as I said, there are so many criteria laid down where we need to ultimately meet that criteria, the laid down criteria, and then hopefully within no time from now, NGT will approve it, and then we will be able to auction it. I'm talking about illegality. About illegality, we don't know the evidence. Why do we need evidence for the illegality? The illegality, the allegation. I'm talking about the allegation because see, be it opposition, be it somebody they allege, they come out in the press statement that so and so is like that, this is like that, government is like that, it's like that. I mean, so many allegations were made. Why I said when you have that allegation, you need to substantiate it. Let him place on the table of the House. If he has got that evidence, let Dr. Mukul put a detailed presentation in the House. Now we are in session. From Monday till Thursday, you go and tell him. If they have 9 points, means the government of Meghalaya, they take so stringent policy in place where they have 9 or 10 checkpoints. Is it not? Because it's not so easy to pass from one point to another point. Okay. See, if you're saying that transportation of coal is still going on, I said yes. Transportation of coal is still on. And that coal where the transportation is taking place even till this moment, it is the coal where the court has said auction it. You can know it. These were the auction coal, where the transportation takes place, movement of transportation takes place till now. It is there. So those people who allege, let them go to the concerned office and find out and check the challan we issued. We issue challan on the basis of the indicated quantity of coal. Whether it is 10,000, whether it is 20,000, whether it is 30,000. On the basis of that, after due process is completed, then DMR will issue, Mining Geology Department will issue the challan. And the challan, you cannot issue extra. Suppose now if it is 20,000 metric ton, they calculate, because now the challan per trop, 12 metric ton. 12 metric ton per challan. So if it is 12 metric ton, you calculate how many challan is required if it is for 20,000 metric ton of coal. So accordingly, challan will be issued to those successful quotationer. It may come one book, it may come two books, it may come maybe 500 piece or maybe 1,000 piece. Then accordingly, from the DMR, after they pay the royalty and everything, then we issue the challan. That is the system. That's what I'm saying. Allocation can be just, you can't make it. I mean, anybody can make. But I'm telling you, if you really concerned about that illegality, please help us. You go and find out from the office when is the challan issued, and then what is the total number of challan you issued, and then how many challans has been transported. That you'll get it everything. See, right now I'm telling you, Supreme Court has allowed mining of coal, but when they allowed, you have to meet this laid down criteria. The laid down criteria is now you need to get the mining plan, and ultimately Government of India will issue mining lease. Few of them applied, I don't know, because I'm not looking after this department, but that is the procedures. We have already issued the SOP. Even the workshop has been organized, be it in Jainti Hills, East Jainti Hills, be it in the Southwest Khas Hills, be it in Garo Hills, encouraging those coal miners to come forward and then bring these documents, prepare the mining plan, and then government will help you out to make sure that Government of India approve the mining lease. What inquiry I'm telling you, we issuing order almost every day, be it the Deputy Commissioner, be it SP, be it the Director of Mineral Resources. We do have this mechanism in place. We do have these concerned authorities in place. We have told them, we keep telling them, see, the allocation made tomorrow, maybe different allocation can be made. But as I said to you, it can be easily made. Allocation can be easily made. But the fact remains, suppose now the truck driver, he passed on from Ribhoi district. In the Ribhoi district, as I said to you, be it transport department, they are there. In the check gate, we call it women, they need to get the women. And then they are there in the weighbridge. DMR are there. Police also, they are there. Then the magistrate also from the district administration are there. That's what I'm saying. We already have a machinery in place. So, inquiry for what? I really don't understand.